Welcome to AutoSens, the world's leading community for ADAS and autonomous vehicle technology development. We create best-in-class events, training, and information for the purpose of connecting the global community of scientists, engineers, and other automotive industry experts. Today, we are speaking with Junhyuk Ryu, Director at AG Optics. And June, welcome. Good to see you, and thanks for
Hi.
being part of AutoSens.
Thank you for having me.
So, June, what inspired you to establish a company that is specializing in camera module production?
Well, our inspiration behind founding the company was our passion for optical technologies and the maximizing the full potential of lens itself with camera module expertise. So many industries look for cameras and the lenses. However, they end up going for wrong optics, and they end up selecting wrong sensors sometimes. So our interest was to maximize full potential of lenses in match with image sensors and give a better solution for the customer out there in the world. So we create we mix our knowledge in optical expertise, and also we bridge the gap between what our customer want and what they already have in the market. Yeah, so that was our passion to bring the value to the industry.
I like that, June. I like that. Let's elaborate a little more on that. Let's expand on that a little further. What unique features or technologies do you have that would set your camera modules apart from other competitors in the industry?
Well, yeah. So there are many camera module manufacturers in the world. They sometimes they're based on build-to-print basis. Sometimes they develop the camera modules as per the customer specification. Nevertheless, they face with challenges selecting right lenses or customizing right lenses for their applications. So our feature, we not only make the camera modules, but we also design and manufacture lens in-house. So we make lens elements, we do optomechanical designs, we do anti-reflection coating, and we know how to design the optical filters. So that kind of technologies, optical technologies that we have in-house is distinguishing us from other competitors where they are where they have a little knowledge of selecting right lenses, where they have real knowledge how to eliminate the side effect of stray lights, ghost, flares, that other unwanted characters.
June, when it comes to demanding applications such as automotive or self-driving vehicles, how do you ensure quality and reliability in your camera modules?
Well, first and foremost, for automotive industries or robotic industries, I know the AI engines are very enhanced and is growing every day, every hour. But nevertheless, there's a unwanted characteristics such as the stray lights, or people call it ghost, or flares, and the light showers, and those kind of unwanted characteristics are hindering the camera module quality overall. So we know how to minimize these stray lights using powerful asphatic lenses in our systems. So we boldly adopt asphatic lenses in our lens modules, and also in camera modules. So we know the expectations of autonomous vehicles and also robots that they don't want any kind of stray lights. They may confuse the AI systems. So our intention is to bring it down, bring the stray light level down, so that the computer can recognize the object clearly every time and robustly. And our quality system is we inspect all the lenses and the camera modules one by one, and we also have intrinsic parameter equipments to characterize each lenses and the camera modules. So when the customer receive camera modules, they know what this camera is capable of. So they can just pick the right application and the right location for this camera.
We're speaking with Junhyuk Ryu, director at AG Optics. June, could you provide more insight into the research and development processes behind your latest camera module innovations?
Yes, what we are currently doing is a thermalization in the camera module. So we know how harsh the camera module will be tested in automotive grade, such as minus 40 degree up to as high as 95 degree. Sometimes some OEMs are pushing it even higher to like 110 degrees. So this camera module has to provide a good resolutions, a good image quality in all temperature ranges. So good thermalization is really it cannot be overemphasized. It's very important. So our R&D efforts are going to thermalize the lens, thermalize the camera module, while bring the cost down. These days, large scale volume projects are very cost sensitive, and I know how my customers are stressed out because of the cost issues. So we also boldly adopt polymer lens into our lens modules, so we can achieve cost optimization. So we are basically chasing two rabbits running in two different directions, thermalizing the lens while while we are achieving the cost optimization. So these are the key R&D effort that we are pushing ourselves into.
To expand on these talking point, June, and you mentioned, chasing rabbits that are going in two different directions. So when it comes to these emerging trends or advancements in the field of optical technology, how does AG Optics stay ahead of the market?
Yeah, so we collaborate with a lot of industry experts and also the material company. So it may sound a little weird, but we are collaborating with material companies. We are collaborating with a chemical company who provide a bond or adhesive. We are collaborating with machining companies, how fine we can cut the metal parts to bring the stray lights down. So it's not only like optical engineering or the software company that we are collaborating. Of course, we are collaborating with them, but we are also focused on the industrializing the products in real life. So we are looking for every best solution out of every best components or direction that we can have. We are working with a software company. Like I said, we are working with a tool company who make the CNC cut for the metal parts. We are going after chemical companies. We're going after glass company. We're going after polymer companies, image sensor companies, ISP companies. So we are working with so many industry experts around camera modules. So these kind of small effects or small advancement activity that's gonna bring value into our camera module as a product overall.
Yeah, agree 100%. And it sounds like a solid plan, June. Congratulations on all of your success so far. Thank you for being with us today. We've been speaking with June Ryu, director at AG Optics. June, we look forward to having you a part of our in cabin event in Detroit. And I look forward to being able to interview you again one day here real soon. But thanks for being with us today.
Thank you.
For more information on AG Optics and to find out more about our upcoming events, see the links in the description or visit auto-sense.com. That's auto-sense.com. And for more in-depth interviews like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow AutoSense on LinkedIn. In Detroit, on behalf of AutoSense, I'm Carl Anthony.